Hi all, I'm Ishana Sivakumar and you're watching my channel Just Add Knowledge. Oh, what a hot weather it is. The scorching sun is burning high. I do like summer for many things like ice cream and fun, but I hate it for the hotness of the sun. A cold drink on a hot summer day is the best, I say. A healthy, refreshing and icy drink on a hot summer day is always the ultimate, not only to refresh but also to gain the drained energy. So today I would like to share with you some healthy lemonade recipes for the hot summer days. So let's get started. I just had a lovely lemonade. Ah, what a refreshing drink it is. The simple sight of it makes my mouth watery. But it is not the regular lemonade available in shops. It is a nutritious and energizing lemonade with addition of mint and honey. Yes, it is a mint honey lemonade. Lemons are very healthy fruits that have a high amount of vitamin C that give them a number of health benefits. Mint, which makes the beverage delicious, is rich in vitamin A and antioxidants. Raw honey is the best to replace any form of sugar and also contains antioxidants and antibacterial properties. So instead of a plain lemonade, go for the mint honey lemonade. How to make it? Take a cup of cold water, add the lemon juice, honey and mint leaves. Mix it well. The mint honey lemonade is ready. The mint honey lemonade is great to sip on, but even better when you muddle in some fruits and veggies. So what can we add? Number 1. Cucumber lemonade. To your drink, add the cucumbers and 1, 2, 3, you'll forget your numbers. It is so very refreshing. If you drink, it is a blessing. Adding cucumbers to your drink keeps you hydrated and rejuvenates your skin. It is also rich in vitamin B. In a blender, puree the cucumber, mint and honey. Pour the puree through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl. Then add the lime juice and water. Mix it well. Fill the glasses with ice cubes and pour the drink. The cucumber lemonade is ready. Enjoy it. Number 2. Blueberry lemonade. Make your drink sweetish and sour. Mix together, you'll drink it every hour. Blueberries are known for their rich antioxidant content. If you add the small round berries to your summer drink, they will safeguard you from the damaging effects of the sun. In a blender, puree the blueberries and honey with water. Pour the puree through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl. Then add the lime juice and mint leaves. Mix it well. Fill the glasses with ice cubes and then pour the drink in. The blueberry lemonade is ready. Relish the drink. Number 3. Watermelon lemonade. The yummy, loved by everyone watermelon is back. The iconic fruit will make your lips smack. The bright red-colored fruit in your summer drink will knock you out. Just like cucumbers, watermelons keep you hydrated even during a summer race. They also provide high immunity as they are rich in vitamin C. And they also contain many other health benefits. In a blender, puree the watermelon, mint leaves and honey. Add the lime juice and mix it well. Fill the glasses with ice cubes and pour in the drink. Then garnish it with mint leaves. The watermelon lemonade is ready. What a lovely and luscious lemonade. Number 4. Ginger lemonade. Peppery and sweet, it gives you the beat. The top aid for throat pain, nourishment you'll gain. Ginger is a widely used folk medicine and is the best to start a fresh day with. Known for assisting with the improvement of digestion, ginger stimulates your appetite during the summer season. In a small jar, add the grated ginger, lime juice, honey and salt. Then add 1 cup of water. Blend it nicely. Pour the puree through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl. Then add 2 cups of chilled water. Mix it well. Serve over ice and mint leaves for a pop of color. The ginger lemonade is ready. Drink it with gusto. Number 5. Mango lemonade. Add this to your summer cooler and you'll know that of all the drinks, this one is the ruler. The perfect add-on for a summer drink, it'll make you fall with a clink. The mangoes will give you enough fiber and lift your immunity. Not only is the fruit delicious, but also it boasts an impressive nutritious profile. Blend the ripe mangoes with lime juice and honey. If you want, you can spice it up with black pepper or a teaspoon of ginger extract. Fill the glasses with ice cubes and pour in the drink. Then garnish it with mint leaves. The mango lemonade is ready. You will love this toothsome delicacy. Number 6. Carrot lemonade. The taste bud startler is in another recipe now. The taste will be too good, you might wonder how. With the drink, you'll fall in love. Carrots are a good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium and antioxidants. The vitamin A from carrots support the eye, skin and immune function. In a blender, puree the carrots, ginger and honey with water. Pour the puree through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl. Then add lime juice and a few fresh mint leaves to the puree. Mix it well. Fill the glasses with ice cubes and pour the drink. The carrot lemonade is ready. Keeps you hale and healthy. Savor it. These drinks will tickle your tongue and tantalize your taste buds. Why settle for a plain lemonade when you have so many different types? Do try these and explore new types of lemonade with different fruits and veggies. I hope these lemonades will quench your thirst. If so, do like, share and subscribe my channel, Just Add Knowledge, and follow me on my Insta page, link given in description. This is me, Ishana Sivakumar, signing out for today. Toodles!